And 994 traffic 2 to 3 o'clock in 2 miles, maneuvering over the low airport, posted in case 1,800. At 1245, keep you updated on the weather. Heavy to extreme precipitation at your 9 to 12 o'clock and the 1 to 0 miles. Precipitation area is approximately 7 miles, make that about 10 miles in diameter.
Okay, 147. Proposed Cessna 52267 is at 1,600, flying right on top of Lowell Airport.
Roger, Pulse, your numbers again, please.
52267.
Cessna 40 Golf, you have to check your phone for Cessna at your 11 o'clock and now 2.5 miles.
Still negative on the traffic for 40 Golf.
Cessna 40 Golf, Roger, reduce speed to 120 knots or less, and turn right heading of 270, just be a sharp exit to the west, hold on close for you shortly.
Right, 270 is flown up to 120, 40 Golf.
Cafe 23, contact departure. Cafe 2023, I'm sorry, contact number 249, fighting 180.
186, number 249.
Cafe 2023, keep your speed up as much as possible, traffic to follow you. Contact departure, contact Chicago Center, 128.5.
28.5, Comrade 249.
Cessna 52267, Gotcha Post, call 4210.
4210, 4267.
Ryanair 7603, turn right, heading 270, vector for sequence.
270, Ryanair 7603, we also have field in sight.
Cessna 40 Golf, turn straight in for runway 17, step the airport in sight.
Straight in for 17, airport in sight.
Cessna 40 Golf, Roger. And your clear visual post runway 17, Cessna 7 on a 2-mile final. Contact call 135.65.
Visual 17, north 40 Golf.
Ryanair 7603, descending 3000.
4 for 3, Ryanair 7603.
40 Golf, Grand Rapids Tower, wind 170 at 16, number 2, follow the Skyhawk at a 1.5 miles, final runway 17, clear for land.
Okay, cable 3 wind go.
That's at 267, thanks. And we checked the wind is 170 at 16, so we checked the 17 or 26 right.
We can do 2624 to make it a little easier for 267.
That's at 267, Roger. And check runway 26 right.
That's on my 26 right, for 267.
Ryanair 7603, turn on direct to runway 17, and your clear visual post runway 17. Contact call 135.65.
Clear for the visual 17 over to tower, Ryanair 7603, good night. Tower, good evening, Ryanair 7603, 2 miles out for 17.
Ryanair 7603, Grand Rapids Tower, good evening. Number 3, following a twin Cessna about 5 miles in front of you. Wind 170 at 15, runway 17, clear to land. 267, due to traffic, I'll have you change runway to runway 17. Turn right heading in 340, vector for sequence.
Runway 17 and right 340 for 267.
At 1245, heavy to extreme precipitation at your 12 o'clock, 3 miles, precipitation area is 3 miles in diameter.
Just going west of it, 147.
FY 2023 is able to turn right at Victor and safe parking. November 40 Golf, you still have frequency, contact call 135.65. 5.65. Cessna 267, if you still only 126 right, that's also available, but the wind is 170 at 12, gust 19er. If you still want that call, sign that view, advise.
Okay, we'll take on my 17. 267.
Roger, another 267, Roger. And turn left heading 270. You're calling caravan traffic on a 4-mile final.
Roger, that's 272, and I'm going to put down to 267. 2035, and we're calling 249.
On Cessna 40 Golf, turn right at taxiway Delta, safe parking. Cessna 40 Golf, taxi to Rapid Air this frequency, and no delay on the runway, traffic on a 1 mile final.
267 has the traffic on final.
We're at 267, Roger, follow that traffic.
Final traffic, 267.
Delta 267, there is extreme to heavy precipitation to the west of Grand Rapids and also to the south and stretching to the east all around the airport. Contact tower 135.65.
Okay, over tower 135.65.
That's 145. How is the ride that as you went past that one cell?
I was just light to moderate.
Thank you. That's 145. I do show a heavy precipitation as you're 12 o'clock and 3 miles. Precipitation here is a half mile in diameter.
Got it in sight, thanks. Wind 180 at 13, gusting 19. Same tensions after the touch and go?
We're just going to head back to Lowell for 267, 24 Charlie.
For 267, after your touch and go, turn left direct to Lowell.
Do that touch and go, left direct to Lowell, 267. 267 clear to land.
Cessna 267, clear touch and go, runway 17.
Direct clear touching go, runway 17, 267.
At 145, contact Kennedy approach on 121.2.
21-2, 145, 170. 267 is going to be turning direct to Lowell now.
Scott 267, contact departure.
Ground Northwest 250.
Northwest 250, ground.
Yes, sir, no answer on clearance delivery. Quick pick up our IFR to Detroit from you. We have November.
Maintain 05.
Okay, maintaining VFR direct to Lowell, 267.
Northwest 250, you cleared the Detroit Metro's file, maintain 4,000, expect flight level 190, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 128.4, squawk 6210.
Northwest 250 is cleared as filed, climb maintain 4,000. Expect 190, 10 minutes later, departure 128.4, squawk 6210.
Northwest 250, readback is correct.
That's 2 miles in diameter.
Roger that, we have those 3 SIP areas in sight for 267.
6753, let's go.
Delta 267, change of hazard frequency approved, squawk VFR.
Roger that, VFR, license against approved, 4267.
Cessna 267, contact Lansing approach on 118.65.
Over to Lansing, and thanks very much, 267.
Go.